Okay, let's try something different.
You know? Grabe, napakaangas ito guys. Zelda, The Legend of Zelda, The Wind Waker, no? So press start lang po natin. Kitang-kita nyo guys, sobrang smooth po nyan. Okay. So new game tayo. New game. Ihilang muna. Yan na natin. Click muna natin yung and okay. This is but one of the legends of which the people speak. Basta Zelda talaga guys, walang tapon dito sa game na to. So syempre pag Zelda guys, kailangan natin panoorin yung backstory niya. So panoorin muna natin. Just turn to his command, but then when all hope had died and the hour of doom seemed at hand. Hindi pa na siya ma-start guys, wait lang natin. Young boy clothed in green appeared. Panoorin lang natin yung storyline niya. So ito na guys, start na po tayo. Grabe, napaka-nostalgic ng ano na to guys. Zelda The Wind Waker. Zelda talaga napakaangas guys eh. Big Brother. Kapatid niya, kapatid ni Link. Tsura ni Link oh. This is my favorite spot to is out at the sea. So they are already today. You're still half asleep, aren't you? Did you forget? Big Brother, it's your birthday. Oh, birthday na Link ngayon guys. So my grandma's been waiting for you to come back to the house. She's been waiting for a while now. So balik tayo dun sa bahay ni grandma. Yan ang bahay nila, nasa Dalampasigan. Should go home and see what grandma wants, don't you think? Okay. Punta tayo guys. Guys, napaka-smooth to. Sobrang smooth na ito guys. Let's go. Yes! Uy, grabe naman yan sir. Ito ba ba dito? Uy, lumalangoy. Kaya lang wala pa tayong panlangoy guys. Yung map guys ay nasa ay! Ito malawi. Uy, lumalangoy siya guys. Lumalangoy oh. Ito tayo sa ano ni grandma. Grabe, napakaganda nito guys. Let's go! So wala pa yatang takbo to. Ayun yung bahay ni grandma. Lapit na tayo sa bahay ni grandma. Okay, dito. Oops, naligaw pa yata. Hey grandma. Hey grandma. Hey. Saan si grandma? Oh, wala si grandma. Akitin natin, baka nandito sa taas. Uy, ayun si grandma. I've been waiting for you. Yun ang maalamat na ano na suit ni Link. Can't believe you're already old enough to wear these clothes. Ako, eto na nga, hero's clothes. Let's go! Don't look so disappointed, dear one. Just try them on. Okay, today's the day to celebrate. It's the day that you become the same age as the young heroes spawn all legends. Have to wear them for one day. Don't look so dumb, be proud, child. In the old days, this was the boys were finally here to be men. They were that toy. Grabe naman yun, sir. Hanging the family shield on the wall as decoration only. Does all this make sense to you? Alin can when I say this suit you perfectly for okay. Your birthday party, so I better start getting ready, shouldn't I? Your grandma's going to make your favorite soup for you tonight. Grabe guys, napakaangas na ito. Yan guys, no? Napakaangas talaga oh. Uy, bilis. Bilis na niya, no? May party daw mamaya guys. Attack! So saan naman tayo pupunta na ito? Uy, punta natin si sister oh. Ayun siya. Tapos ayun, tapos pag kinausap L lang. Yun guys, no? So kung gusto nyo tong game na to guys, so click nyo lang po yung subscribe button dyan sa my YouTube channel natin, no? Kung nasa Facebook page naman po kayo, click nyo po yung follow guys, no? So, natry naman natin guys. So, hanggang dito na lang po guys. God bless po sa ating lahat at ingat po kayo.
Okay, let's try something different.